What's up, do-it-yourselfers? Thanks for tuning in to Small Engine Repair Channel, where our main goal is to make sure you know that you have the ability to fix or repair whatever you want to take on.
Alright, welcome back to Small Engine Repair Channel. This week we have a Honda HRX217, one of my favorite mowers of all time, as you can tell. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm getting pretty used to this short voiceover stuff, so it's probably gonna happen again this week because I feel like my videos don't really need voiceovers with how good the content is. If you don't agree, leave me a comment below. Hey, so the only thing I did want to go over is when I show the air filter in this one, guys, you're going to notice it's not super dirty, but there is dirt pretty embedded in the pleats of the filter, and I replaced it for that reason. So, but other than that, if you want to hang on for this journey on how to service your Honda HRX217, this will apply to pretty much any other mower on the market, not just Hondas. But pay attention here and hang on for the ride, and we appreciate you watching. And if you provide value, or if this provided value at all, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again for watching.
Bye.